Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Enrique. Today we're going to go over how to draw YouTuber Timtom. Alright, let's kind of start. And we're going to start with the very simple shapes that make up Timtom here. Okay, so right off the bat, circle for the head. Okay, just kind of like make the best circle you can. Doesn't really matter, you don't have to go all out or anything like that. Just kind of make, see that looks like a corner right there, doesn't matter, just circle enough. If you know how to make a circle, you can kind of like slowly do it. Just kind of slowly get to that point. And he's got, like I said, a really simple design. But let's go over here, we're going to draw a curve right here for his cheek. Line across down for the top of his mouth. Here it's like it's gonna curve underneath. Mostly, like I said, relatively simple. Curve right here for the tongue in the mouth. He normally doesn't have color on his tongue, so we're just gonna fill in the back side of the mouth. Like so. Let's go to the eyes. He's got these big black eyes, but right here it's gonna be like a zero shape. Right here, and then like a zero shape. Don't forget, hit the subscribe. I'm gonna be giving a lesson every day, so on different characters and different things you guys request. This was actually requested, by the way, so absolutely, you know, reach out and say what's up. Line over here for the eyebrow. Line over here on this side for the eyebrow. There's like a fly in here, which is bugging me. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna go right here underneath. Curve line there for kind of the neck, the shirt neck. I'm gonna have him waving, so I'm gonna draw literally a stick figure-like line right there. Line over here. Down the chest all the way down to the foot. Go over here on this side now. I'm going to draw the thickness to the actual arm. Again, think about it like a bendy tube. Don't forget, hit the like if you like Timtom, or if you like that I'm doing this. So I'm going to go over here on this side of the, other side of the torso. I'm going to pull a line down. Curve right here, kind of for the hand. It's going to be pressing into his side there. And then I'm going to continue down right here, down the foot. Out. Out. Line underneath the torso there. Down over here. Down over here for the inside of the legs. Curve right here. Curve right here. Over here on this side. Curve. Over here on this side. Curve. Curve over here. Thumb right there for the hand on that side. Over here, curve right there. He's got like a mitten hand, relatively, right? So very simple. It's almost deceptively hard, easy. Well, deceptively easy in the fact that you could maybe move something and it might not look like him, so you kind of have to have his type down. Curve across over here for the shirt, bottom of the shirt. Line over here for this side of the shirt. Line over here, he's wearing that t-shirt. Real simple stuff, right, so far? Cool. And we're gonna color the shirt green. So if you have a green marker or anything like that, pull it out, or a crayon, doesn't really matter what you have. And I'm gonna get a light blue. A light blue would probably be a good idea as well. Okay. Over here, I'm gonna pull a line there. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here, line across. And there we go. We got that green of that shirt. Kind of matches that background right there. And then now we're going to go in and kind of with a light blue to kind of give him a little dimension. Just a little. I'm going to draw like a line here on the kind of the side of the edge because he's white, and then curve over here because usually like white surfaces you want to, not always, but put this little lining of blue. I kind of do this on Mario boos, you know, like those boos from Mario Brothers. Just pick a side, a corner right there. You could do both if you want, but not necessary. And it might be, you know, the idea is it's picking up a little bit of reflected light from the surroundings, and usually it's like a blue sky. You can't even really see it. I could do like a darker one actually. You can't even really see that. I can't even see that on the camera, so maybe right here to make it over the top. Curve right here. Line over 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 there. Maybe that'll do a little bit more. But that's it. That's pretty much it. That's Timtom. If you enjoyed that, hopefully you did. That was an incredibly simple one. But yeah, if there's another YouTuber you want me to draw, I will totally do that as well. Just let me know. I'm going to do one thing extra. I'm going to throw a thick line around the outside of the figure. Oops, that marker's dying. And the reason I want to do that is I think it's going to encapsulate it a lot more. If you want to learn how to draw in general, go check out sketchingeasy.com. Sketchingeasy.com is the official website to all of this stuff. And I'm gradually putting more and more stuff on the channel. On the website. Like I said, just thick around the outside edge only. But yeah, I'm gradually putting more stuff, so if you have anything you want to request, I will totally make that occur. Right here, curve. Sorry, my dog is barking. Curve over here. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video.